In this video, I want to share with you a website that has made me over 180,000 naira in pure profit right here. Now, this money was not made overnight because there is a lot of work required. And the best thing about this is that I'm going to be walking you through how I was able to make this money right in this video and how you can make this money for yourself. Now, the first thing I want to do right now is to withdraw this money right now, right here in this video. Now, before we withdraw this very money, I want to show you one thing about this website and why you should listen to me right now in this video. As you can see right here right now, I'm ranking number 1 right now on their top earner list. My name is Norma Evans right here. I'm ranking number 1. As you can see, Norma, the balance right there is 180, and I've withdrawn a total balance of 65,632 naira right now. Right. As you can see, top earners on correct balance, I'm ranking number 1. Now, this should be enough reason you should listen to me right now. So let's go over and withdraw this money right now on this very video. So I'm going to click on withdraw right now. Click on withdraw to bank. I'll just go over and select my bank. This is my bank, OP. That's the name. As you can see, minimum withdraw is 1,000 naira and the maximum withdraw is 400,000, and service charges is 15%. So I'll just go ahead and withdraw 150,000 naira right now on this very platform. So I'm withdrawing 150,000 naira right now on this very platform. I'll click on request on OTP. As you can see, enter OTP sent to your Gmail. So I'm going to head over to my Gmail to verify my account right now. I'll just copy the OTP. As you can see, OTP required. Come here and paste the OTP right here. So after pasting my OTP, I'm going to click on withdraw. As you can see, withdraw of 150,000 naira is successfully. Your payment will be processed in seconds. Right now, I withdraw this money around 9:10. I'm going to head over to my bank right now to see if this money has landed on my bank. So guys, as you can see right now, as you can see, this money just landed on my bank right now. As you can see, this is over 150,000 naira, which is being paid right now. As you can see, 150,000, and this money was paid around 9:14. Right, the money was withdrawn around 9:11, and in 3 minutes time, this money was paid in my bank right now instantly. This is over 150,000 naira. Now, this platform really pays, and they pays instantly. Now, what is required is just the work. If you can put in the work, you can really make good money from this very platform. So now that you have seen this platform really works, let me show you how you can really make good money from this very platform right away. Now, you have to know that this platform is currently available in Nigeria, Ghana, and in South Africa, right? As you can see right now. If you are a Ghanaian watching this video, if you want to register as a Ghanaian, the link will be separated from the Nigeria link. Now, if you want to register as a Nigeria, I'm going to identify it on the pinned comment section and in my description on how to register. If you are registering as a Nigeria, click on the Nigeria registration link, and if you are signing up as a Ghanaian, you're going to be seeing it right there. Click on the Ghanaian registration link right now. Let me show you how you can make this money right now on this very website. Now, the first thing you have to do is to have a verified account with them. Now, you can create a fresh account by clicking on the second link or the first link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment section, right? Click on it and you're going to be landing right here on this very page, as you can see right now. So once you land on this very page, what you have to do is to just put in your first name, your last name, your username, your email address. Then you can register as an advertiser or as an earner. If you want to register as an advertiser, that means you want to advertise on this platform or place, or you want to hire workers to help you grow your page, or hire workers to help you engage your post, right? The second one right here is to register as an earner. You can just click that, register as an earner or as an advertiser. Then the next thing you are going to do is you're going to put in your password and you're going to confirm your password and click on register. So once you register, boom, your account is already created. And the next thing you want to do is to verify your account, right? Now you have to activate your account with a one-time activation fee. This is a lifetime activation fee, which is going to give you a full advantage to this platform, to all the making money online opportunities that this platform brings, right? Now, if you activate your account with 1,000 naira, your account is going to be fully activated, ready to start making money, right? Now, the next step is how you can make this money right now on this very platform. The first way to make money from this platform is by doing simple social media tasks, right? So once your account is activated at first, the first thing you want to do is to go over to social media and input your social media link or your social media list right here. You can click on this very place to add some social media. Your social media account must have a profile picture and must be active. You must add your social NS username, which is normal, to your social media account by you to complete the verifications. They want to use this to know that you are the real owner of this very account. The third one right now is that your account must have a recent post. For Facebook, submit your profile link, but for other social media accounts, submit your username. Only active social account will be approved, right? Then just click on the social media type. As you can see, Play Store, Apple Music, Audio Mac, website, Facebook, and all of that. Put in your Facebook link right here. Then you can click on submit social media account, and in the next few hours, your social media account is going to be verified. As you can see right now, my account is verified. All my social media account is verified right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go over and start doing this simple social media tasks. But before we go there, let me show you the price list. Now, this is the earning list on this very platform, as you can see. Now let's go over to how you can do make money by doing simple social media tasks. If you click on tasks, you can see they have over 249 available tasks to do right now. You can do all these tasks if you have the time to do it. What you have to do is very simple. Click on view job, and it's going to take you to the Telegram channel you want to join, and it's going to load up. As you can see, this is the task we want to do. We want to just join this Telegram channel. Click on join right now, and you're going to join this channel. So you can just take a screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot, come back to show any account, then you want to click on submit task. Click on your username, right? Normal Evans, that's my username. What you just screenshotted right now, submit it right here. Just click on done, and it's going to load up. Right, I'm going to click on submit. As you can see, hello normal task submitted successfully. Now, this is how you can do simple tasks on this platform. And this is the first major way you can make money from this platform right now. Let's move down to the major way I made this money and how you can do this for yourself. And the major way I made money from this platform, of which you too can make money from this platform, is by partnering with them, right? This is just like working in the marketing session in the bank, of which any successful customer you bring to register on the bank, you earn a particular bonus which is added to your salary. Now, this is just like that. Any successful customer you bring to join this platform, either they join as an advertiser or as an earner, you earn a particular bonus. You earn a certain amount from every customer or any advertiser or earner you bring to join this platform. Now, let me break it down on how you can make this much money on this very platform. Firstly, you need an audience, right? Either it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn, right? You need an audience you can market to. Just like an example I gave earlier, where marketers in the bank want to bring in customers, they go to the marketplace, right? They go to the marketplace where people are there, where people are much to get people to register on this very bank, right? Now, when you want to make money from this platform, you need an audience, or let me say a marketplace, right? Now, you must have an existing audience, or you must build an audience, or you can leverage on other people's audiences, right? Either it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or even YouTube. If you have an audience on this very platform, or you have an advantage on this platform, or you can leverage on any audience on this platform, you can make this money from this very website. Now, the next thing to do after securing a secure base audience is to generate your content, right? And you want a content you want to use to persuade this audience to register on this very platform, right? Now, it can be a YouTube video, it can be a written script, it can be a Facebook content, it can be a TikTok video, or it can be a talking head video like this, right? Whatever that works for you is best. You can take ChatGPT right now to generate a simple script, generate a simple Facebook post about social earnings, then bracket a Nigeria-based platform where people can do when people can make money by doing simple social media tasks, right? And in few seconds, ChatGPT is going to generate a perfect script for you can use for this, right? And so this is a very short script. As you can see, do you know you can make money online in Nigeria just by doing simple social media tasks like liking, sharing, commenting, and following? That's exactly what social earnings is all about. It's a platform that rewards you daily for doing the things you already do on social media. No stress, no special skills needed, just your phone and data. Easy to join, daily payout, perfect as a side also. I've been using this for myself and it's legit and it's a legit way to earn some extra cool cash. And this is a very perfect, short and simple script or post you can use to tell people about this platform and they are ready to join. What I'm going to do right now is just copy this right now. I can just go over to my Facebook page right now, then just click on create a post, right? Just put in this post right here, click on next, then just put in the right up. I'm going to come over to my social any account. I'll just go ahead and copy my link. I'm going to paste it right here on this very insert link, right? And this is my registration link. I can just copy it right here, paste it right here. Then click on publish post. Once they read through this right now, they can easily join. Let's imagine over 1,000 people are able to see this very post right now. Let's say out of this 1,000 people, 100 of them is interested in joining. Let's say out of that 100 of them, 50 of them was able to register successfully on this very platform. 50 times 500 right there is over 25,000 naira. Now you can repeat this on your Twitter, you can repeat this on your Facebook, you can repeat this on your YouTube, your TikTok, your LinkedIn, your WhatsApp, right? On all your social media platform. And you can even create a separate WhatsApp group, bring people right there, ask ChatGPT to generate a WhatsApp class script for you. And by the end of your class, you can tell them to register via your invite link. Now, this was the way I was able to make this money from this platform. I'm not going to lie. You can leverage on different methods, right? You can leverage on your YouTube audience if you have an existing YouTube audience. You can leverage on your Facebook audience if you have an existing Facebook audience or WhatsApp audience. Now, if you don't have an audience, it's very simple. You can join other Facebook making money online groups, right? You join there. You can even ask the admin that you want to post something that will educate their audience. By that way, you are posting and educated content, right, that will lead them to register by the end of the post, right? And you can use this on your WhatsApp. You can leverage on people who already have one DS on WhatsApp. You can leverage on the status. You can leverage on WhatsApp TVs, right? And you can use this to make a lot of money for yourself. And now this might sound very simple, but it's not simple. There's a lot of work required, and you have to put in the work to be able to make this very money from this very platform, right? This was not easy for me. There was a lot of work, and this was not made in one day or in one week, right? This was made over time, right? And you have to know that there's patience required in making money online. It's not something you have to rush. You have to be patient. You have to build your audience first. And your audience have to trust and like you. That's very important. You have to make your audience trust you and like you before they can even go ahead and read what you want to post or register or even give you their money to register on any platform you are introducing to them, right? You have to know that you have to build a audience. But if you have an existing audience who trust you and like you, then this is very simple for you. If you're an influencer, this is very simple for you because you already have an existing audience who trust you and like you. But if you don't have an audience who trust or like you, right, you can start by building an audience. You must not leverage on all platforms. You must at least know the platform you are good at. Either it's Facebook, either it's Instagram, either it's Twitter, either it's LinkedIn, either it's WhatsApp, right? You must be good at least one of these platforms, and you can leverage on that platform. Right now, I'm good on YouTube. I'm also good on TikTok, right? But you might be good on Facebook, Twitter. Leverage on that platform. If you have an audience already on that platform, you can leverage on it. This is a legit platform. This is a platform which you have to work before you can make money. It has been on ground for a very long time and it's still going, right? So this is a platform you can make good money from, and I want you to take advantage of this platform and make some money for yourself. Now, if you decided not to be doing this hard work by inviting people to join this platform, you can just stick with doing simple social media tasks, and you can also make some good money from that place. But if you want to leverage on more money, you want to make good money from this platform, you have to go through this way, and by that time you have making good money from this platform. Now remember, work is required. Please, if you have not liked this video, please like this video and subscribe to this very channel for more amazing video. If you know you don't have an audience, you don't have an existing audience, you don't have that large audience you want to use to make the money from this platform, and you want to learn how you can grow your audience, how you can grow an efficient audience that are ready to buy from you, that are ready to listen to you, right? I want to join my Telegram channel. I'm going to be dropping a free course on that channel. This is a high pay course, right? But I'm going to be dropping it for only 20 people, right? I'm going to be leaving it free for only 20 people, right? I'm going to rush down right now to join my Telegram channel right now in the description, right? To have access to that course. Now, that course will show you how you can grow your audience without breaking your bank, without even spending a dime. How you can grow your WhatsApp audience. And if you want to know how you can grow your audience, make sure you join my Telegram community right now in the comment section, because I'm going to be dropping this course for only the first 20 people to have access to it. So, guys, I'll see you right there in my Telegram channel. If you have not subscribed up till now, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to this channel and turn all the bell notifications so that you have access to my coming videos, and also like this video. Thank you very much. Right. If you have any question for me, if you have any concern, if you have any doubts, leave them in the comment section. I'll be there to reply to each and every one of you. If you want to learn more ways you want to make money online, I have the complete playlist right here waiting for you. Click here right now to access these videos. I'll see you right here. Bye for now.